guys, here at this location we're going to be doing the first wind test with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Also seeing what this screen is like in super bright conditions. It says it's about 25 miles an hour, but it feels a lot windier than that today. So how is this little guy going to get on in these strong winds? Let's go. So you can see it's struggling a little bit. It's definitely struggling, but it's now, you know, we've got GPS lock, we've got 23 satellites, and it's positioning itself well, it's adjusting well. Let's see what the footage is like on here. So it's definitely not having the best time up there, is it? But I think now, even at that altitude, it's now super stable, and you can see from the footage, it is great. So wind resistance on here so far, excellent. Okay, so the Mini 3 is about 60 meters in the air. The wind performance is going well on this. No problems whatsoever. We've had quite a few wind warning messages, but it's handling it like a tank in the air. So better, I would say, so far than the Mini 2.
Being this stable in over 40-mile-an-hour gusts at this altitude is absolutely incredible, and there isn't any gimbal shake at all. So unlike the Mini 2, which struggled a lot in the wind, especially with the gimbal, this is performing excellent. So in strong winds, the Mini 3 Pro handled it incredibly well. So let's go and test out now quickly the FPV mode on this Mini 3. How does that do in the wind? So if you had any doubts on the wind performance on this Mini 3 Pro, I really wouldn't. It handled these strong winds incredibly well. Dare I say it's just as good as the stronger, bigger drones. I don't know how DJI have done this. On the DJI Mini 2, sometimes you get gimbal shake in strong winds, but this, nothing, no gimbal shake whatsoever. The controller was also brilliant in these bright conditions. Really impressed. So if you are a bit on the fence about what it's going to be like in the wind, I hope this answers those doubts. But now we're going to talk about the giveaway. So I've teamed up with Freewell, who I use for pretty much all the ND filters I use on my equipment, and they're going to kindly give away a Mini 3 Pro to one lucky winner. So all you need to do to enter this is you need to like and subscribe this channel, DRenmproductions, and also the Freewell YouTube channel as well. Subscribe to that. I'll put both links in the description below. And then what you do is on the comments, comment down below why you would like a Mini 3 Pro. And then I'll go through the comments, and then the winner will be announced on May 20th for a Mini 3 Pro. Really exciting. Thanks so much to Freewell for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye.